Welcome to Chem Time.
Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube video presentation. In the last presentation on safety aspects of steel plant by my student Mr. Krishna Prasant, where he has covered in detail about the safety in confined spaces. I'll be thankful to him if he covers in detail about electrical safety in this video presentation.
Now let's talk about electrical safety. Areas, hazards and control measures in industries. Electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is widely recognized as a serious workplace hazard, exposing employees to electrical shock, burns, fires and even explosions. Causes of electrical hazards: improper grounding, exposed electrical parts, inadequate wiring, damaged insulation, overloaded circuits, damaged tools and equipment, wet conditions, and overhead power lines. Electrical hazards mainly can cause burns, shocks and electrocution, can result in serious injuries or death. So to ensure a safe workplace, personnel must understand and follow electrical safety regulation, electrical hazards identification, the use of safe work procedures, use of protective equipment. Now let's go to the control measure to consider in case of any electrical emergency. Electrocution rescue techniques can be done if in case you find a person is in danger. The steps to follow is shut off current. How to do that? Stand to one side, use your non-dominant hand, turn off the circuit. Next, get person off current fast. Don't touch them directly. Use dry rope to pull them away, a dry board to lift the line, a dry jacket to cover them. Grasp the jacket and move them. In this way, you can remove that person from that danger. In case of electrical fire, activate the fire alarm system. Don't use a water as a fire extinguisher. If you know how to use an extinguisher, use a CO2 or dry chemical fire extinguisher. Alert everyone in the area to evacuate. Notify security. If you are not sure about using a fire extinguisher, leave the area and close any doors behind you. Wait for the fire department personnel to arrive. How to use fire extinguisher? Only to be used by someone who has trained to do so, and it should be activated once the fire alarm has been triggered. And you have to identify a safe evacuation route as well. So there is a technique, 4-step technique, which is called, and the acronym that you can use to memorize is PASS. Let's get to know how. Fire extinguisher. PASS means pull, aim, squeeze and sweep. Pull. Pull the pin to break the tamper seal. Aim. Aim low, pointing the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. Don't touch the horn on a CO2 extinguisher since it becomes very cold and can damage your skin. Squeeze. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent, whatsoever it is, and sweep. Sweep from side to side at the base of the fire or the fuel source until the fire is extinguished. There are basically 5 types of extinguishers, which could be powder, foam, CO2, water, wet chemical, and these are being divided into 6 different classes. Class A, which are solids, Class B, flammable liquids, Class C, gases, Class D, metals, electrical equipments, or Class F, which are called as cooking oils. So for these, which kind of fire extinguisher is perfectly suitable has been given in this particular picture. You can go through that. Let's go to electrical safe work practices. Suitable warning signs shall be displayed and maintained at conspicuous places. All electrical appliances shall be made of sound material and adequately earthed, shall not be left on ground. All temporary electrical installations shall be provided with earth linkage circuit breakers. All portable hand tools must be provided with double insulation. No electrical circuits shall ever be used beyond the rated capacity. In confined areas, only 24-volt supply shall be used for every equipment, including handheld portable tools and hand lamps. All electrical appliances and outlets shall be clearly marked to indicate their purpose along with voltage range. All switches shall be enclosed type and so installed and earthed as to prevent danger in their operation. All motors shall be equipped with a switch and a stop device. Earthing shall be connected to all motors, generators, etc. as prescribed in the Indian Electrical Rules, amended from time to time. Junction points should not be left open, rather covered with junction boxes, bushings, glands, or equivalent connecting devices. The attachment shall be made by screwing, clamping, soldering, riveting, brazing, crimping, or equivalent means. It's important for electrical isolation. How it could be done? Many accidents are consequent due to lack of safe isolation procedures in place, or by safe isolation procedures being carried out incorrectly on low voltage electrical installations. By using an appropriate device at necessary point of access should be isolated from all its supply of electrical energy. Insulations has the purpose of protecting against electrical shock, burns and ballistics. The point of electrical supply isolation must be marked and known by all necessary people in the organization. Devices that are suitable for isolations are specifically designed for this whole purpose. So this is the end of electrical safety, and here is the quote of the day. At the end of the day, the goals are simple: safety and security.
I'm thankful to Mr. Krishna Prasant for covering in detail about electrical safety in steel plants. His next video will be on safety while working in heights. Thank you.
Request you to like, share and subscribe my channel.